Closed-toed shoes are to be worn in the cutting and industrial machine areas of the lab. Eye protection must be worn at this industrial machine at all times. Since you are having to adjust the placement of the button in the clamp each time, there is a higher risk of the needle breaking. Please make sure to note the safety procedures posted at each station. If there is a red bar at the top, this machine is not available to use without prior training and AIBI staff present. If something breaks or won't work right, stop using the machine and clearly place the emergency tent on top. Let the monitor on duty or other AIBI staff know that something has gone wrong. This is a Juki MB-373 industrial chain stitch button sewing machine with thread trimmer. This machine is very different from industrial machines you may have seen before. It is automatic, and once the settings are adjusted, will automatically stitch the button down with one press of the foot pedal. It does have some familiar parts, however, like the thread stand, tension dials, and the needle. The pedals are a little different on this one. The pedal to lift the presser foot is on the left, and the pedal to start the stitching process is on the right. All you need is one firm push to start the automated stitching. The presser foot also includes a button clamp to hold the button in place as it is stitched. A lever on the back will allow you to change the stitch length depending on the number of millimeters between the holes. Most buttons will be set to 2 millimeters for a 4-hole button. If there are only 2 holes, move the lever over to the image of the 2-hole button, and then back to the 2 for a 4-hole button. To thread the button sewing machine, bring the thread from the thread stand through the thread guides and the 2 tension dials. Then weave the thread between 2 pairs of prongs and around the 2 round guides and the horizontal bar before bringing the thread through 2 more thread guides. Next, bring the thread down through the front thread guide before bringing it up through the take-up lever and back down through another set of thread guides and a small tension dial. The needle on this machine is threaded from front to back. When you're done, stitch a test button on a scrap of fabric to make sure that everything is looking good.